All right, so we are going to talk today. If you missed yesterday, we're going to talk about faith and going through PTSD. But first, I wanted to basically tell you about the faith that I have, and then also different faiths kind of that are out there. So basically, my faith is Christianity. I am Assembly of God, also known as AG. So it's a Christian belief. And there are, outside of that, there are a lot of other religious organizations. But basically, the main, how do I say this? I'm not like really good at this stuff, but I'm trying to teach it at the same time. So every religion or organization or sect or whatever it is going to have rules, regulations, like some sort of manual or book that they believe and are connected with for their life or how they want to run their life or anything like that. So for me, my book is the Bible. Okay, so that is something that I believe in and that I read on a day-to-day basis. And initially, before this whole PTSD and everything, like I was a believer of Jesus and of God, but I didn't really have my relationship there the way that it should be. And while going through this whole PTSD process, it really brought me closer and more knowledgeable about just the religion in general, and actually brought me to getting baptized. So lots of fun things that you'll probably learn more about. But this week is going to be about how you can dive into faith as you are going through PTSD.